Benvenuti amici! Today we're traveling to the heart of Naples with the traditional Ziti alla Genovese. This dish is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, bursting with the comforting flavors of slow-cooked onion and beef. In this video, our Nonna Lulu will walk us through how to make this classic Sunday sauce, step by step.
Perché oggi facciamo la genovese, un piatto povero, poverissimo.
Lulu says that the pasta alla Genovese is considered a poor man's dish because the sauce base are onions, carrots, and celery, with a few pieces of economic stew beef. It's also considered a white ragu in Italian because it has no tomato. The ratio of onions to meat is typically 3-to-1 in this dish.
3-1.
Lulu says that we need to get to work chopping these onions, but she's going to let her assistant cry this time.
Che fatica. Guardare è stato faticosissimo.
Watching is such tiring work, Lulu jokes. Now she's cutting the meat into large pieces, and she's going to brown it. Large pieces, because as she explains with sound effects, this meat will be slow cooking, not boiling, for 3 hours. Piano piano, as they say in Italian. Lulu loves lard, but use olive oil or clarified butter if you prefer. A quick deglaze with some white wine, if you have it, to pull all of those tasty beef droppings off of the bottom of the pan. Okay. The origins of this pasta's name are shrouded in mystery. Was it the creation of cooks from Genoa in the 15th century Naples? Or the brainchild of an elusive Mr. Genovese? Another captivating theory suggests the influence of Swiss mercenaries from the canton of Geneva, who were stationed in Naples and had a penchant for onions. We'll let you ponder the riddle, and don't forget to share your theories in the comments. Our carrots and onions are minced, and they head into a Dutch oven with a few tablespoons of olive oil.
La carota e il sedano.
A quick sofrito, and in go the onions. Our lovely brown beef, and enough water to cover the ingredients. We cover the pot and put it to bed for a 3-hour simmer. Stir occasionally and add water or broth if needed.
Perché deve fare no, per tante ore. Buon riposo.
After a 3-hour simmer, our Genovese sauce is ready, boasting a lovely hazelnut hue and beef that we can literally cut with a spoon. And now we transfer everything to a pan to await our pasta. Look at how this meat is falling apart. You can break it into pieces as large or small as you prefer. However, we do want the onions to be dominant here, so don't shred the beef too much.
Il ragù è pronto e adesso pensiamo alla pasta.
Time to put the pasta on to boil. Here we are using the traditional ziti that needs to be cut into 3 pieces.
Che vanno tagliati comunque, li taglieremo a pezzi.
You can buy them already pre-cut, But trust me, snapping them is actually quite fun, and a stress reliever, as Nonna Lulu points out.
E allora, aspettando che l'acqua bolle, spezziamo questi ziti e oltretutto fa piacere questo taglio che diamo. Ah, vedete? Sacchete! È anche antistress questo.
Anyway, if you don't like them, opt for a more robust rigatoni, for example.
Adesso la scoliamo, la ripassiamo in questo bel ragù. Una bella manciata di pecorino.
A handful of pecorino cheese in the pan and a sprinkle on top of the dish.
Che piatto!
A recipe beloved for its simplicity, conceived as a poor man's dish that has nonetheless stood the test of time for its rich taste. Even these days, if you go to Naples, Genovese is among the classic Sunday sauces.
Queste le lascio a voi.
Nonna Lulu says these forks are for you.
Pronti?
Don't let her eat on her own. Try this dish for yourself. You will fall in love. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and let Grandma Lulu know what you think about her recipe in the comments. And buon appetito!
Buona!